So today basically I went to a job and cylinder was electric cylinder indirect, is not heating up. So I check all the immersion heater. There's two immersion heater. One of the immersion heater was not working, which was the bottom one, and I wanted to drain the valve, the cylinder, so to change the the bottom immersion heater, which was not working. So I tried to use the drain valve that was already installed before, so I couldn't take out the washer because there was no space to put the screwdriver or anything. So I couldn't drain the cylinder. There was no any other drain valve. So I ended up taking out the the pipe is already there. It was the bottom of the T where the drain valve is, and then added another drain valve so on top, and instead capping off I put a ball valve there, so I know it was working, and I could see the water is coming out of it. So when all the tap is closed and your main is isolated, the tabs are closed, and then if you take off the pipe out, the water won't come out of the cylinder because there is no air to suck into the system. There's no pressure, just the water stays still, so you won't have an issue to take that out. So just take it out. It's just a little bit of water is inside the pipe. It will come out. After that it should be fine, and then you can put the new pipe with a drain valve in, and then start draining your cylinder. That should work out, and mainly that's what I do. Normally that's what I do. If there's no any other way to I drain it down the cylinder. Some people is stupid, they put in a drain valve in very stupid places, so you can't really use it. The idea is to drain the valve, use it, not to just to put it there for the sake of it. If you when all the pipe is connected, the hose is connected, put in the toilet or somewhere outside, and then you need to take out the pipe, the hot pipe on top of the cylinder. You need to undo the knot and then take it out so the air can suck into the cylinder, and then the water can come out of the bottom or drain it down. Thank you, and I hope you will enjoy, you will learn something. If you have any other thing, want to know any other information you want to know, just leave a comment or inbox me or anything. I am happy to help, I am happy to answer. And then as you can see, this draining now, and also I noticed there's in the system there's something wrong.